Hello traders, welcome back to my channel NDT Strategies. So today you might be noticed my thumbnail as already. So I want to share that whatever that I made. So in 45 days, how I made 1 lakh rupees. So whatever the profit that I made, the 1 lakh that I'm talking about, it's completely excluding of my brokerage, excluding of my charges, STT, exchange charges, all those stuff, GST. So excluding all those stuff, I made around 1 lakh in just 45 trades. So 45 days in the sense in 45 trades I'm talking about. So let me open that. So how I calculated that as 45 days is just want to show this as well. So the complete from April to till date for the plan year I can say from April to till day we had around 45 trading sessions excluding the market holidays that happened in the month of April. Those holidays are also excluded. So based on that, almost with 45 trades I made around 1,04,367. So not as a brokerage itself I lost around more than 20 to 30,000, but in Zerodha we can see those charges as well, but I am not sure how to check on angel broking. So if someone knows about that, please let me know on the comment box so that I can share that as well. So this is what the profit that I made, guys, and this does not happen just like that. So I was there in market from 2012. So I learned a lot by losing the amount, then only I learned the things. So that's how I'm able to handle whatever the strategies that I'm applying. I'm able to handle that. So everything goes with the management, right? So if you are able to manage this something, whatever the work that you are doing, right? So if you are able to manage that, then only you will get some kind of benefits or profits from whatever that you are doing. So the funds I put in the funds of around 3.5 lakhs in the month of March. So from then this is what I am showing on that. I mean in between I added 95,000 as well. So almost I can say 4.45 I have added. The complete the whatever that is there in this is completely the profits other than that. So that's what guys, I mean if you are able to manage the position that you have on your portfolio, then these kind of things happens. So I'm going to do slowly I'm going to do one by one on my strategies. So I'm right now practicing the bank nifty strategy as well. I'm not full-fledged on that, still I'm applying some kind of strategies on that. I mean iron condor, people will say, right, iron condor, and there are many strategies that they used to apply, so do the things and all those things, but I'm not using all those things. I'm by just doing whatever I don't say that whatever that short strangle that I'm doing is not there in the market, it's already there, but I apply some kind of tricks in that, then only I'm able to manage my position. That's how I'm doing. And the same way how I'm doing the nifty strategy, right, same way I'm planning for bank nifty after as well. But as there is some kind of issues when I'm doing with bank nifty because of the flow, market flow that is happening, the premiums, you cannot manage the positions in bank nifty. That is why it's a big tough task over there. When during the market hours we cannot able to manage the bank nifty premium. So that is the reason I am planning on that for a positional trade. So it requires more lot of money, so it's need around 10 to 15 lakhs as per my analysis. So I'll whenever I have funds, I'm going to apply my strategy over there as well on the bank nifty, but not like whatever the short strangle that I'm applying right now on nifty. That's not the case with the bank nifty. It's completely differs, but it's based on the positional trade. Okay, so and one more thing I thought of sharing, now that the bigger news that is going out on the market or on the broker side is on the SEBI margin leverage. So for that as well, I'm planning to come up a video as on that as well. Even if SEBI from September, even if SEBI is not going to give the margin leverage, we have other option to do that. So how to hedge more positions and get the margin benefit, I'm going to do a video on that as well, so that we'll come to know how much we can able to get the benefit by hedging. So I'll make a video on that as well. So please comment below if there is anything that is as a training or as a live session if you want when I'm doing the trading. Please comment on the below comment section, so that I'll come up with those videos as well. And only request from my side is, right, so whenever you guys are able to subscribe my channel, and if you're feel that what are the content that I'm doing is interesting, if you click a like button, then I feel that I'll get more interest in doing the stuff. So even if there is anything that is lagging, or if there is anything that has to be added or I need to change, please comment in the comment box below, so that I'll change that. I'll come across with the new things on that particular things, whatever that your guys are requesting. So that's what I thought of sharing. And moreover, I'm planning to move from angel broking to Zerodha. So as I said earlier, on the only I'm comfortable trading with application. So but I'm not able to do that live trading by using the application. I mean, it's not completely full-fledged when I'm doing trading on mobile. You guys are commenting, like saying that you're not able to you're not able to see what are the trades that I'm taking clearly. So that is the reason I'm planning to move to Zerodha. The web tool, what are the Zerodha has, it's well and good, and it's an user friendly one. So I'm planning to move that. And also I'll suggest the people to learn, if you want to learn some paper trading, is there any kind of apps, or is there any kind of tool that we can use? I'm very well say that you can go for the Sensible, because you can learn a lot of things on Sensible. So you can apply your own strategy on Sensible, and you can come up with your own strategies when it comes to this. Okay, so paper trading, in the sense, doing it on paper, that does not work these days. So we have an applications like that, so we can use that. So as I got this for around 19,999 per month, I think, for with the angel broking account. But you can also get this for free of cost for a month using your what to say, Gmail account. You can able to log in into it and get it for 1 month as a free trial. So once you log in, right, how to do the paper trading is, I'm going to do a video on that as well, but during the market hours. But meantime, let me show what needs to be, if options, if the people who is doing the option trade, if they know about the things, they can do, right. So when you go log in into it, just go into this one second, the virtual trade, click that. See, it will ask for pro or general. Pro, if you click the pro, it will go for it will give you the details over there, but it is activated for 2 days field trial. I already used this free trial on my that is the reason it is showing only for 2 days. So what I'm going to do now is, I'll build my own strategy. So if you see here, strategy builder, go into it. Right now, if you see, I'm not with my angel broking account, I'm just logging into it my Gmail account. So you guys can also log in into it, and you can build your own strategy. So what are the strategy that I'm applying, you can, during the live trading session, you can apply it, and you can also watch what exactly is going on. Are you getting the profits, or you are in minus, or how to handle in between when market hours, or I mean, when there is a sudden fall or sudden rise in the market, how to manage the positions in. You can also apply your strategy and check the everything over here. Okay, So it's good to I mean, I actually applied all my strategy for 3 months, then only I entered with my capital on the angel broking. So please try to apply whatever the strategy or whatever the trades that you are planning to take. If you don't have any hands on, please try it on this paper trading, so that you'll get some hands on, and then you can go with the real money. That's what I can say. So try to do that. And also I'll do this part in live trading, how to do this. Also I'll show you in the live trading with my Gmail account, so that you can apply your strategies by doing this. So thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel, so that I'll make sure to come up with more videos on whatever that I'm trialing in. So that's it for the day. Thank you.